Battling India's central government is almost a way of life for Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, as highlighted by The Economist magazine, which underscores his relentless fight for the state's rights and identity. From his teenage years to his leadership today, Stalin has dedicated his life to Tamil Nadu's progress, carrying forward the rich legacy of the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. His political journey began at a young age, shaped by the ideals of his party's four leaders. He faced arrest during the emergency, endured political hardships, and rose through the ranks through sheer determination and hard work. The DMK's predecessors led the historic fight against Hindi imposition, defending Tamil Nadu's linguistic and cultural pride. Today, Stalin upholds that same spirit, resisting policies that threaten the state's autonomy. From opposing unfair economic policies to safeguarding Tamil Nadu's political representation, he has been at the forefront of every major challenge. The BJP-led government's attempt to weaken Tamil Nadu, whether through language politics, economic restrictions, or the looming threat of delimitation, have been met with Stalin's firm opposition. Just as DMK leaders once fought against Hindi imposition and central overreach, Stalin now leads the charge against unjust political maneuver, influence in national politics. His tenure as Chief Minister has been marked by transformative policies in education, healthcare, and social welfare, making Tamil Nadu one of India's most progressive states. His Dravidian model of governance ensures inclusive growth, while his unwavering resistance against central government interference safeguards Tamil Nadu's federal rights. With his lifelong dedication, resilience, and leadership, M.K. Stalin has proven himself to be an unbreakable force. He not only continues the DMK's historic legacy, but also strengthens it, ensuring Tamil Nadu remains strong, uncompromising, and forward-moving against all odds.